This video will demonstrate how you can connect and receive data from your SoundEar 3 device to the SoundEar software using a SoundEar Micro PC and the SoundEar Cloud Broker. Start by installing the software on the PC where you want to receive your measurements. The software is included on the USB memory stick. Open the software and click on the drop-down menu Setup in the left side menu, then click on the menu Cloud. You need to set a site ID to receive measurements from the SoundEar 3. The site ID is a unique ID which pairs your software with your SoundEar 3 device and allows you to receive measurements in the software. By default, the site ID will be the PC's MAC address. For this video, we will use the site ID SoundEar. Refresh rate is how often the SoundEar software will be updated with LAEQ 1 second measurements. Use the arrows to choose your refresh rate. Here, we will set the refresh rate to 5 seconds, meaning that every 5th second the software will be updated with LAEQ 1 second measurements from your SoundEar 3 devices. Since we are using the Cloud Broker, we will leave the checkbox Local Broker unmarked. Type in your email address to receive a notification email if one of your SoundEar 3 devices loses its connection to the software. Press Configure to save your settings. Now it's time to configure your device. Connect the device directly to the PC using the micro USB port in the SoundEar 3 and the USB-A port on your PC. A pop-up will show on your screen. Choose the tab with the Wi-Fi symbol to go to the right configuration window. Afterwards, name your device, set location, and set the alarm threshold and email address if you want to receive an alarm email when noise levels are exceeded. Here, we will configure it to send an alarm email when the noise level exceeds 60 dB for more than 5 seconds. In the next part, we will set the communication path between the SoundEar Micro PC and the software. Check the box Wi-Fi and write the name of the network and password which will be used by the SoundEar 3 device and the Micro PC. If you want to make sure that you have written the correct password, click on the box with the letters ABC, which will show you the password. If the box DHCP is marked, the software will automatically use the IP addresses for the network your PC is connected to. If you want to type in the information manually, unmark the box DHCP and type in the network information you want to use for your SoundEar 3 device. All SoundEar 3 devices will be matched with the receiving PC using the unique site ID you have set in the software, in this case SoundEar. If needed, you can type in another site ID here. Unmark the checkbox Local Broker, since all communication for this demonstration will be done using the Cloud Broker. Local Broker is used if you want to use your local area network, also known as LAN, instead of the Cloud Broker. Press OK. Your setup has now been configured. The software only allows one-way communication, so we recommend that you go to Define Settings and make your light settings for the device before hanging it on the wall. Connect the SoundEar 3 device to the Micro PC using the micro USB port in the SoundEar 3 and any of the 4 USB-A ports in the Micro PC. Afterwards, connect the Micro PC to its power adapter. The Micro PC also works as a power adapter for the SoundEar 3. Your network settings is now being transferred from the SoundEar 3 to the Micro PC. Click on the button Cloud Devices in the bottom of the left side menu. It can take up to 2 minutes before you receive measurements the first time you connect to the Cloud Broker. You will see that the column will switch from gray to green, indicating that the software is receiving measurements from the SoundEar 3 device. Double-click on the column to see a graph with live measurements for the chosen device. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please write us at soundear@soundear.com or go to our website www.soundear.com for more information.